November 12th, the day after Veterans Day, and we see the volume coming back into the markets. Got a few tickers for you here real quick. If you like these videos, these daily videos, I try to post them on StockTwits and Twitter. Please tap like and subscribe. I really appreciate it. And also by now, you've seen me post a bunch of news articles and news clippings. And I primarily get all of that from Benzinga. So make sure you sign up for Benzinga. The link is at the bottom. You get 25% off your subscription with my code, The Rock. All right, lowercase. I think uppercase will do just as well. All right, so you've seen a lot of news this morning or last couple of days of schools shutting down again across different states. I think we saw that in New York and Georgia, in a few other states going on as well. And so that's going to create some plays for you. Educational stocks, interactive learning, online learning. BOXL, BOXL is probably a prime candidate, and we can see that's up slightly this morning. So this is something to keep on the watch out. All right, I'm going to move on to CODX, Code Diagnostics. All right, I'm going to hop over to the daily chart and just to see the potential here. Just not too long ago, back in August, this was a $30 stock. They definitely had a lot of bad news back in August timeframe. So we see this price dip all the way down to $8, and now it's recovering. And so this is something I'm eyeing right now. It's at $14. Seems like a tremendous reversal going on. And we can see there's a slight gap here in the $18 and $19 range. So there's momentum behind it in the last 4 days, slight increases day after day for the last few days. When we can see that this is, and the RSI is not too bad, and the MACD is flipping over to the positive side on the daily chart. So keep this in mind as we go forward. So there's a lot of potential in this one. All right, let's move on to EDRY. We day traded this morning during the pre-market. Certainly yesterday was a good opportunity after they announced the earnings that spiked up to 14.5. But if you're a day trader, there's always opportunities as you're reviewing the candles. So we got in around this range here once I saw my EMA 9 and 15 lines converge and cross over. So this is an excellent entry. You can see the trading range is getting really tight here, and we sold here at the spike. Very easy scalp here. And we see that, you know, the shippers, there's a lot of shipping stocks that's running hot last few days, since yesterday, GLBS, Ship, Tops, etc. All these stocks are running off this EDRY and EURODRY. But unfortunately, right now it's taking a little pullback here. So excellent day trading opportunities if you're up early in the morning. Again, I use Benzinga and as the alert service here when this starts to happen. All right, let's hop over to FSR. FSKR today is up nearly almost 10% this morning. High of 1446. I'm expecting news next week at some point. That's the general consensus. There's some news coming out next week, and also just a tremendous play. So this is kind of a stock that I just hang on to for quite a long time. It's like a retirement stock, if you will. You know, one thing to note too, now that the merger's behind us and the volatility is kind of behind us as well, I think FSKR will do just fine. I think this can could be a serious contender for Tesla and NIO as well. So speaking of NIO, let's hop over to NIO. China has reported year-over-year growth in EV sales. Okay, so a lot of China EVs are going off the hook today. XPEV, NIO, Workhorse, I believe, is getting some shine on it as well. And Tesla is doing great today as well. So we saw a high at NIO 47.45. I mean, it is not outrageous to think at this point this could be a $50 stock at some point next week because it's doing solid climbs here. And you can see that reflected in the daily chart here. All right, with that being said, that's all I have for you today. I'll see you guys tomorrow.